Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Under new federal guidelines, women can test for cervical cancer at home. New federal recommendations have expanded testing options for HPV, which can cause cervical cancer, and allow for self-collection at home. Women can now choose to get a pelvic exam at the doctor's office or use a self-collection kit for HPV testing, which is the preferred cervical cancer screening method for women ages 30 to 65. The Teal Wand is an FDA-approved device for at-home cervical cancer screening that allows women to collect their own sample and have it tested by a lab with support from a virtual medical provider. The self-collection test is accurate and many patients find it more satisfactory than an in-office exam, especially those with anxiety or transportation issues. Cervical cancer is preventable, and it is important for women to get tested and screened regularly, as about 20% of cases occur in women over 65 who are no longer routinely screened. A cervical cancer summit will be held in DC at the end of January for patients, survivors, caregivers, and advocates. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak